Hey guys, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling out here on a exterior assessment of this only a 2-year-old house. I'm coming on here to show an example of not all fiber cement is James Hardie fiber cement, and also not all fiber cement is equal in quality. This is a perfect example of not all fiber cement is equal in quality. From the road, this looks like a house that is well constructed. The siding's in place. The siding looks nice. They have some shake and also lap siding. However, when you get close, you're going to see a lot of product failure, along with some installation errors as well, but a lot of product. That's why two very important things: have a good product, and then your product's only as good as the installer installing it. So very good example of this here. So you can come to the sidewall and you're going to see a lot of product failure. This is a 2-year-old home, so we should not be seeing as much failures that we see. This is consistent. This type of cracking is consistent throughout this entire elevation of this wall. So we just pointed one out there. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there. One down here. Okay. This is a generic fiber cement. This builder has elected to use this fiber cement because it looks like Hardie. Most people think it's actual James Hardie fiber cement, but in all reality, this is a generic fiber cement that breaks down very quickly. As we can see, only a couple years old. I will say it's not the best install, but the way these cracks are in the middle of this board, consistent, definitely points to a product failure. This product really drinks up a lot of the water, doesn't allow water to escape. It expands and contracts a lot on the wall. So constant movement is what's causing this brittle concrete to start to break down. So I wanted to hop on here and show you that make sure if you are getting fiber cement, make sure you're not getting generic fiber cement. Make sure it is actual James Hardie fiber cement. They're the ones that invented fiber cement. Because if not, you could end up with this type of product failure. And then the other thing to look at is ensure that your contractor truly knows how to install fiber cement properly, using the proper accessories, trim pieces to make your product last long. This is just a very, very good example of a mix of some install errors and mostly product failure. So just thought I'd share that with you, because you will come across it quite a bit. Please let us know if we can help with any of your exterior needs. Craftsman Exterior Remodeling. Thank you.